Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Samsung Galaxy A34. And to do this you will need to open your Google Play Store and inside find app called Firefox. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch your browser. Right here we can customize it. So sign in to turn on synchronization, choose your theme, pick your toolbar placement. Here we can switch the privacy protection settings and read the privacy notice. Finally, let's click on start browsing, open any website, and as you can see, this browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.